Discover the ideal Quran teacher with LearnQuran.net. First, create an account as a learner. Give all necessary information of the registered user. Next, build your student profile by providing your learning preferences and goals. Now, you're ready to find your perfect Quran teacher. Use our filters to find the best match. Sort by rating, gender, package, subject, language, and more. Visit teacher profiles to review their education, experience, reviews, and available packages. Chat with teachers directly to ensure they meet your schedule and educational goals. Once you've found your ideal teacher, hire them with confidence. Start your journey to mastering the Quran with expert guidance at LearnQuran.net.